Ryobi keeps pushing boundaries with innovative tools that make projects faster, easier, and more enjoyable. In this roundup, we spotlight the 17 best new Ryobi Power Tools every maker should own, covering woodworking, cleaning, automotive, and more. Whether you're a DIYer or a pro, these tools deliver the performance and versatility to elevate your craft. Take your projects anywhere with the Ryobi Portable Clamping Station. Designed for versatility, this station provides a stable work surface and secure clamping power whether you're in the workshop, garage, or on site. Its portable design makes setup quick and easy, while the heavy-duty frame ensures durability for woodworking, DIY, and craft projects. The integrated clamping system holds materials firmly in place, giving you precision and safety while cutting, sanding, or assembling. Compact folding legs allow for effortless transport and storage, so you can move from one task to the next without hassle. Built to handle a wide range of applications, the RSTS J150 is the perfect companion for makers who need strength, mobility, and reliability in one solution. Keep your tools, crafts, and household essentials organized and ready to move with the Ryobi Link Rolling Storage System. Designed for flexibility, this range includes a rolling toolbox, crate, two-drawer toolbox, and multiple organizers, all built with a clever interlocking design so you can stack, mix, and customize your own mobile storage solution. The rolling toolbox features high-strength telescoping handles rated to 90 kilograms and rugged 9-inch all-terrain wheels, making it easy to roll over steps and uneven surfaces. Clear tops on the organizers let you quickly spot what you need, while selected models include IP65 rated seals to protect against water and dust. For even more versatility, certain products are compatible with the Ryobi Link Hanging Storage System, giving you a complete storage solution that adapts to your workspace and lifestyle. Transform garden waste into useful mulch with the Ryobi 36-volt HP brushless crushing shredder, one of the first battery-powered shredders released in Australia. Forget petrol or tangled cords, this portable unit runs on a Ryobi 36-volt battery sold separately, giving you freedom to work anywhere. Powered by a high-performance HP motor and a 7-tooth blade, it delivers a 3-to-1 crushing ratio, reducing branches, palm fronds, and leaves into compact mulch that saves space in your green bin. Capable of handling material up to 40 millimeters in diameter, it offers 2 speed settings, an LED jam indicator, and a reverse mode for quick clearing. A blade calibration function ensures precise shredding every time. When the job's done, fold up the legs for easy, compact storage. Efficient, portable, and eco-friendly, the Ryobi crushing shredder makes garden cleanup smarter. Bring reliable power anywhere with the Ryobi 36-volt Power Station Inverter. Designed for portability and convenience, this unit transforms Ryobi 36-volt batteries into a dependable power source for tools, electronics, and household devices. With multiple outlets and USB ports, it's perfect for camping trips, outdoor projects, or emergency backup at home. The inverter delivers clean, stable power, ensuring sensitive devices like laptops and phones run safely. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to transport, while durable construction makes it suitable for rugged environments. LED indicators provide real-time updates on battery status and output, giving you confidence in every use. Whether you're working off-grid, preparing for outages, or powering devices on the go, the RFPH 361800 offers flexibility, efficiency, and peace of mind all in one portable solution. Make cleaning faster and easier with the Ryobi USB Lithium Power Scrubber FGV51K. Compact yet powerful, this handheld scrubber is designed to tackle stubborn dirt, soap scum, and grime on tiles, sinks, showers, and outdoor surfaces. Powered by Ryobi's USB Lithium battery system, it delivers consistent performance without cords or disposable batteries. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, while interchangeable brush heads allow you to adapt to different cleaning tasks. With water-resistant construction, the FGV51K is built to handle wet environments safely. Quick charging via USB keeps downtime minimal, so you can get back to work sooner. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for everyday household cleaning or taking on the go. For anyone wanting efficiency and convenience in one tool, the Ryobi USB Lithium Power Scrubber is a smart upgrade to your cleaning routine. Part of the Ryobi ONE Plus system of over 200 cordless tools, the RSV 18BL Stick Vac brings convenience and power to everyday cleaning. Designed for versatility, it quickly tackles dust and dirt on both carpets and hard floors, making it ideal for busy households. Powered by Ryobi's 18-volt ONE Plus battery, it delivers strong suction without cords or hassle, giving you freedom to move from room to room. The lightweight design and swivel steering make maneuvering effortless, while the detachable handheld unit is perfect for stairs, furniture, and car interiors. A bagless dustbin with an easy empty design keeps maintenance simple, and washable filters reduce ongoing costs. Compact storage ensures it fits neatly into any home. For buyers seeking cordless convenience and compatibility with the ONE Plus system, the RSV 18BL Stick Vac is a smart cleaning solution. Quickly inflate air mattresses, pool toys, and other inflatables with the Ryobi USB Lithium Volume Inflator. Compact and cordless, this handy tool is powered by Ryobi's USB Lithium battery system, giving you portable convenience without the need for cables or manual pumps. Designed for high-volume inflation, it delivers fast airflow to save time when setting up outdoor gear or household inflatables. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use, while simple controls ensure effortless operation. Lightweight and easy to store, it's perfect for camping trips, poolside fun, or keeping it home for everyday needs. With durable construction and reliable performance, the Ryobi USB Lithium Volume Inflator is a smart solution for anyone who wants quick, efficient inflation in a portable package. Take on heavy fastening jobs with confidence using the Ryobi 18-volt ONE Plus Impact Wrench. Delivering an impressive 450 Newton-meters of torque, it's built for demanding tasks like loosening stubborn bolts, changing wheel nuts, or driving large coach screws into timber and steel. The half-inch square drive with locking pin ensures secure socket fitment, while the tri-beam LED light eliminates shadows, giving you clear visibility even in dark work areas. With 4 speed settings, you'll have the control and versatility needed for different applications, from precision fastening to high-torque jobs. Compact yet powerful, this tool is ideal for car enthusiasts, DIYers, and professionals who want reliable performance without compromise. Part of the Ryobi ONE Plus system, it's compatible with over 200 tools, making it a smart addition to any toolkit. In this video, discover how to set up and use the Ryobi table saw stand, designed for easy transport and reliable support. Built with durability and convenience in mind, this stand provides a stable base for your cutting projects while remaining lightweight enough to move wherever you need it. Quick release mechanisms make assembly and breakdown simple, saving time on the job. Its foldable design ensures compact storage and effortless portability, perfect for workshops or on-site use. The RAT-SS210 is fully compatible with the Ryobi 18-volt ONE Plus HP cordless 210mm table saw, giving you a complete cordless cutting solution. Whether you're tackling timber, DIY projects, or professional tasks, this stand enhances safety, stability, and efficiency. Learn how to maximize your saw's performance with the Ryobi table saw stand. Brighten every corner of your workspace with the Ryobi 18-volt ONE Plus 360-degree light. Delivering full-circle illumination, this versatile light ensures clear visibility for projects in the workshop, garage, or outdoors. Adjustable brightness settings let you tailor the output to your task, while durable housing provides reliability in demanding environments. Compact and portable, it's easy to move wherever light is needed, and the integrated handle makes transport simple. As part of the ONE Plus system of over 200 tools, the 360-degree light offers cordless convenience and long-lasting performance. Whether you're tackling DIY projects, professional jobs, or preparing for emergencies, this light is a dependable solution that keeps you working confidently, day or night. Enjoy comfort in every season with the Ryobi USB Lithium Heated Cushion. Featuring a plush 3-inch cushioned seat, it provides lasting support whether you're at home, camping, or on the sidelines. When temperatures drop, the integrated heating function delivers soothing warmth, keeping you comfortable outdoors or in chilly spaces. Built-in mobile device charging adds extra convenience, ensuring your phone or tablet stays powered while you relax. Cord-free operation means you can take it anywhere, powered by Ryobi's USB Lithium technology for reliable performance and portability. Compact and easy to carry, this cushion is perfect for sporting events, outdoor adventures, or everyday use around the house, combining comfort, warmth, and charging capability in one smart design. The Ryobi heated cushion is a versatile solution for year-round relaxation. Take your music anywhere with the Ryobi USB Lithium Verse Compact Speaker Kit, the perfect blend of portability and premium sound. Equipped with a powerful speaker and tweeter, it delivers studio-quality audio that brings clarity and depth to every track. Whether you're at home, on the job site, or outdoors, this speaker ensures your sound stays crisp and immersive. With an IP67 dust-proof and waterproof rating, it's built to withstand tough conditions, making it a reliable companion for camping, DIY projects, or everyday use. Compact and cordless, it's easy to carry and set up wherever you go, while durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Powered by Ryobi's USB Lithium technology, the Verse Compact Speaker Kit combines rugged reliability with high-end sound, giving you the freedom to enjoy music in any environment. Achieve a professional finish on your car, boat, or DIY projects with the Ryobi ONE Plus 18-volt buffer. Designed for ease and performance, this cordless buffer delivers powerful polishing without the hassle of cords, giving you freedom to move around your workspace. The ergonomic design and lightweight build reduce fatigue, while the large buffing pad covers more surface area for faster results. Variable speed control provides the versatility to handle delicate finishes or tackle tougher jobs with confidence. Durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, and the cordless convenience makes it perfect for use at home or on the go. As part of the ONE Plus system of over 200 tools, the 18-volt buffer integrates seamlessly into your existing lineup, offering reliable power and professional results every time. Take on a wide range of fastening tasks with the Ryobi USB Lithium 4-in-1 Stapler Nailer. Compact and cordless, this versatile tool is designed for convenience and precision in DIY, crafting, and light construction projects. With 4 fastening modes, it easily drives staples and nails into different materials, giving you flexibility for upholstery, decor, repairs, and more. Powered by Ryobi's USB Lithium technology, it delivers consistent performance without cords or manual effort. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, while quick load functionality makes reloading fast and simple. Built-in safety features provide peace of mind, and the lightweight construction makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Portable, reliable, and adaptable, the Ryobi 4-in-1 Stapler Nailer is the perfect solution for makers and DIYers who want efficiency and versatility in one tool. Stay powered anywhere with the Ryobi 80-volt 1000-watt power source, a portable solution built for versatility and reliability. Delivering 1,000 running watts, it provides dependable energy for camping trips, tailgating, outdoor projects, or as backup during power outages. Equipped with multiple outlets, including USB-C, dual USB-A, and 2 120-volt sockets, it can charge and power a wide range of devices, from phones and laptops to small appliances and tools. Compact and easy to transport, the unit is designed for convenience without sacrificing performance. Rugged construction ensures durability in demanding environments, while cordless operation gives you freedom to set up wherever power is needed. Whether you're off-grid, enjoying the outdoors, or preparing for emergencies, the Ryobi 80-volt 1000-watt power source delivers reliable energy when and where you need it most. Bring studio-quality sound anywhere with the Ryobi 18-volt ONE Plus Verse Link Stereo. Featuring a 50-watt subwoofer and dual 15-watt mid-range speakers, it delivers a wider soundstage and immersive audio for music, podcasts, or entertainment. Stream effortlessly from a single speaker, or expand your experience with Verse technology, which lets you connect additional Verse-compatible speakers, no app required. With the ability to link over 100 speakers in a 125-foot speaker-to-speaker connection range, you can fill any space with rich, synchronized sound. Designed for portability and powered by the ONE+ system, this stereo combines convenience, durability, and premium performance. Whether at home, on the job site, or outdoors, the Verse Link stereo ensures your audio is powerful, reliable, and ready to impress. Ryobi's commitment to innovation in the expansive ONE+ system means you're never limited in what you can build, fix, or create. With these 17 new tools, you'll have the performance, reliability, and convenience to tackle any project with confidence. Add them to your collection and experience why makers everywhere trust Ryobi to power their creativity.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.